What are you doing? What are you doing? You are my off-grid cat, eh? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You hardly ever hang around me. But now that I'm here by myself, you're getting lonely, right? And so now you're spending time with me. Hey? You don't like me pulling your whiskers? Hi, Claira. What are you doing? Are you happy living the off-grid lifestyle? You like living off-grid? Hey? You like living off-grid? Lazy sack of bones? All you do is just lay around all day. All you do is just lay around all day. Oh, that's all you do. Yeah, that's all you do. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Trying to get away from me? Hey, trying to get away? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I ain't gonna stretch that far. I ain't gonna stretch to reach my off-grid cat. Where are you going? Where are you going? I can't reach you anymore. You like laying beside the fire, don't you? Like laying in front of the fireplace, in front of the wood stove. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you like doing. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you doing? Are you a happy cat? Are you a happy cat? Yeah, you are.